Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, it is going to be about the top of the best stand mixers in 2022. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we have the KitchenAid KSM150PSVBArtisan. This Artisan is made in the USA, and it's a seriously high-quality machine for the money. You can choose from all the color options to find the best match for your style and personality. And when it comes to its performance, it is powerful enough to do nearly any task or recipe. Whether you're stirring wet and dry ingredients together, kneading bread dough, or whipping cream. It has a 5-quart stainless steel bowl with a comfortable handle that offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies, 4 loaves of bread, or 7 pounds of mashed potatoes in a single batch. And in addition to that, it also features 10 optimized speeds and a tilt head to allow you to effortlessly add ingredients and switch out your attachments. This stand mixer also ships with all the attachments you need for most of your baking needs, including a wire whisk, flat beater, and a dough hook to work your bread dough. Next is Cuisinart Precision Master. This Cuisinart Precision Master is an excellent option if the value for money is your #1 consideration. It comes in 6 shades and has an extra half quart on the KitchenAid Artisan at 5.5 quarts total. Delivering power, precision, and performance, this stand mixer houses a 500-watt motor, die-cast metal construction, and 12 speeds that will allow for nuance and excellence in performing various preparation tasks. By design, it has an ergonomic shape and design that will make your work easy and convenient. Adding a premium die-cast metal construction, it can ensure durability even after prolonged usage, as this sturdy construction can easily withstand any pressure. And featuring a tilt-back head means you will also be allowed for quick access to its 5.5-quart mixing bowl, while its included splash guard prevents accidental spills. As we mentioned before, this mixer comes in a high-quality stainless steel bowl with a 5.5-quart capacity, so you can easily pour all your ingredients into this solid and spacious bowl for a good mix without spilling anything outside. Next up, we have the KitchenAid KSM150PSVBArtisan. With a sturdy design and capable motor, this KitchenAid's KSM150PSVBArtisan is best for serious and professional bakers. By design, it has a sleek onyx black finish that makes it a beautiful addition to your kitchen. And when it comes to its performance, it features a 1.3 horsepower motor that can handle up to 8 pounds of bread dough or batter for up to 14 dozen cookies. Its 7-quart mixer comes equipped with an electronic speed sensor with which this stand mixer can maintain speed regardless of load. And having a locked motor protection means it can also safeguard the motor by automatically shutting down if the mixing action becomes obstructed as well. Its power hub will turn your stand mixer into a culinary center. And with more than 15 optional attachments, you can use the power of your stand mixer to make fusilli pasta from scratch, shred a block of Parmesan cheese in seconds, and much more. Next is Smeg's 1950s. Coming in a curved, nostalgic design, this Smeg 1950s retro stand mixer is a striking choice for any home. Its all-new coating for the accessories not only improves their cosmetic appeal, but it also adds added benefits of being non-stick and dishwasher safe, which is a dream for any home baker, reducing waste and cleanup time. And when it comes to its performance, its direct drive motor has 10 variable speeds to accommodate any number of recipe actions. And in addition to that, it also has a smooth start function to avoid splatter and waste as well. It is capable of whipping just 2 egg whites for smaller projects, as well as it can also handle as many as 12 at a time for larger projects. Finally, for added safety, it houses an anti-slip foot to keep the unit in place on any counter surface, underload protection to avoid damage to the motor, ensuring a long life for your machine, and a safety lock for the head to keep the beaters from falling on you when putting ingredients into the bowl. Lastly, we have the FRIGIDAIRE EST M020. If you are looking for the best budget option, then you can never go wrong with this Frigidaire EST M020. It's not as powerful as some of the options on our list, but it is a handy option to have in your kitchen that looks nice. It is an electric 4.5-liter all-metal stand mixer that offers all-metal durability and planetary mixing action for complete bowl coverage. And its included mixing head spins as it rotates completely inside the bowl, which will result in better mixing than the traditional 2-beater stand mixers. It will offer about 8 settings to give you maximum versatility and precise control at every speed. While for added safety, it houses a non-slip foot to keep the mixer still while in use when the splatter shield guards against messy drips, drops, and spills. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.